everyone, welcome to Football Vlogs. Today I'm going to make a very special volcano. Of course, a model and an experiment in one time, of course. So it's very special because it has organic materials. Let's get started. So this is what I've used to make the surrounding, kind of. I used the sweet flour to surround this thing, and this will perfectly fit under like that. Okay, so this is a part of the science experiment, the experiment we're going to use. So okay, now I'm going to just collect stones and then I'm going to put them around here like that for the landscape. This will be a moat. So what we built so far is a model. We put some leaves on and big stones and small stones. I think this is to make the landscape of it. Now we are gonna pour some tomato sauce inside to make the color of the lava. Let's make a pool of lava as well. Okay, so this is how I built a model of my volcano. Now this is where the experiment comes in. Okay, let's start. Look, this is bicarbonate soda, and this is tartaric acid. I put the base of the volcano on a tray, then I put some salt, twigs and stones around the volcano to create a landscape around it. I've also put 3 scoops of tartaric acid into the base of the volcano. Now I'm going to put 3 scoops with the tartaric acid. So now I'm going to pour 130 ml of warm water mixed with dishwasher liquid. I'm going to put this under now. Wow, that is really, I can't even, it's so flat. Once you just put it in, just stay away immediately. Did you see that? That was a small one, man. That's too small. It's flowing. Wait, it flows like a real volcano.